Hey there! Today I'm going to show you an improvement that we did on the flow of the users between the different categories and how to go back and forth. So if you are on the rooms pane, you can see all the categories that are on the event. By clicking on each category, you can enter and see which rooms are inside that category. Now if you want to go back to the list of categories, you have two options. One is to click on this arrow as it was there previously, or another option is to click on the rooms icon, and this might be even more intuitive. So if you click on the rooms, you go back to the categories list as well. So let's enter a room and see another improvement that we did. So I'm joining this coffee kitchen room, and you can see that I'm inside this room. Now if I go back to the categories and you want to know in which category you are, you can see that this one is highlighted with a border and a small ribbon there. So you can easily find where you are and see where your room is so that you can leave or interact in a different way. Another improvement that we did is to improve the experience of the users when joining rooms that have applications inside. So if I open this room has an application and a video call. And as you can see, the rooms pane is automatically hidden so that you have more space for your applications and for your video call. We hope that this helps you guiding yourself better inside the Veertly event and improve your experience. And let us know what you think about it and how can we improve this experience for users. I wish you a good day. Thank you very much.